Welcome back to Cybersecurity 101, and today we're diving into a topic that's at the core of data security: encryption. In this episode, we'll explore what encryption is, why it matters, its different types, and how it's used in our daily lives. At its core, encryption is a sophisticated method that transforms data into an unreadable format using complex algorithms. Think of it as sending a message in an intricate code that only the intended recipient possesses the key to decipher. This process ensures that even if unauthorized individuals intercept the data, they're left with gibberish, unable to make any sense of it. So why does encryption hold such a pivotal role in the realm of cybersecurity? Picture your data as a precious treasure trove, and encryption as the impenetrable vault safeguarding it. In our hyper-connected world, data flows ceaselessly through networks and the internet. Without encryption, it's akin to mailing your treasure in a transparent box, exposed for anyone to see, and worse, for opportunistic thieves to seize. Encryption stands as the fortress wall, making your data unreadable to anyone who doesn't possess the decryption key. There are two primary types of encryption: symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. It's fast and efficient, making it ideal for everyday use. On the other hand, asymmetric encryption employs a pair of keys: a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. This method is often used for secure communication and digital signatures. Now, let's see where encryption plays a role in our daily lives. Firstly, smartphones. Your smartphone is your digital treasure chest, filled with sensitive data. Encryption ensures that only you, with your unique access credentials, can unlock and access your personal information. Next, we have online shopping. When you shop online, that little padlock symbol in your browser's address bar is your guarantee of security. It signifies that your payment information is encrypted during its journey over the internet, shielding it from potential eavesdropping. Even when you send an email, it's wrapped in a protective cloak of encryption as it travels across the internet, guarding your correspondence from prying eyes. So, how is encryption implemented? Apps like WhatsApp and Signal utilize end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you and your intended recipient can decode your messages, providing a secure platform for your conversations. In the corporate world, data encryption is widely applied to safeguard sensitive files stored in the cloud, thwarting unauthorized access attempts. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic, creating an encrypted tunnel through which your data travels, enhancing your online anonymity and bolstering your security. While encryption is indeed a robust shield, it's only as resilient as the keys used to lock and unlock data. Weak encryption keys are akin to flimsy locks that can be easily picked by determined hackers. It's imperative to always employ strong, complex keys to bolster your security. Let's talk about the future of encryption. Quantum computing looms on the horizon, potentially posing a significant threat to our existing encryption methods. Researchers are already hard at work, developing quantum-resistant encryption to stay one step ahead of potential threats. Encryption, as a field, will continue to evolve, adapting to emerging risks and challenges, all in the name of preserving the privacy and security of our digital world. And there you have it, encryption, the unsung hero of data security. It's the technology that keeps your digital life safe from cybercriminals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Cybersecurity 101 episodes, and thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes, please leave a comment below. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe. See you in the next video.